Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. Recently, after the breakdown from this sub channel, we had a big drop and the price of BitTorrent broke down this very significant support zone from 115 to 108, 0.0000 and 05 times $108 and drop down at this very long-term support zone that starts from 77 and goes to 0.0000 and 006 times $0.73 and bounce very well. By the way, during this drop, we also lost another very significant up trend line support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support was coming from the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, and we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and now after the breakdown, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this recent down channel, and we will also take a look at the breakout, a very huge breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I share this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 22nd of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this as a buying zone, sell target zone, and stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see how the price had moved after sharing this signal. For that purpose, you will need to click this button. And after that, you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for several days, it has been moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price and broke down the support. The technical target for this breakdown was here at the bottom of the channel at 7.7, and over there we had a very strong support down from 7.7 to 7.3 that I've been showing you this support zone in my several previous videos, and you can see that the price and exactly from that support zone bounced very well. We had just a spike at this support zone, and after that, the price and moved up, and now it is moving between this up trend line resistance that was previously working as support and this support zone from 7.7 to 7.3. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and now we will need to break out this up trend line resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside that was in fact begun here after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on this 7 days time frame chart. And by the way, here we will also need to break out this very long-term resistance on as well that starts from 108 and 115. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then you can see that we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, and we were very close to hit the target for the breakout from this channel that was here at the top of the channel at 2.04, and you can see that the price then moved approximately up to 195. It was very close to hit that target, 192 in fact. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of this wedge. That is at point double zero double zero and zero 5 times $255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.